What are you doing? What you doing, pretty bird? Oh, that's so cute. That better be cute. You're not mating my finger, are you? You mating with my finger? I hope that's not what that is. You're soft and fluffy. Yeah, he's all soft and fluffy. Yes, he is. What? Oh, don't do that? No? Yeah, you're losing so many feathers, aren't you? What you doing, huh? What are you doing? You want scratches? You want scratches? Yeah? No? Ouch. Ow. Excuse me. What? Do you want to take a bath? You want to take a bath? What are you doing? Kaden. I hope you're not being kinky. Are you being kinky? Are you a kinky bird? That's soft when you push your neck on me. Yeah, that's so soft. Oh. Oh. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? What you doing? Ow! 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 Excuse me. What you doing? Look how fluffy you are. Yeah? I'm not allowed to touch you? I can see all those downy feathers under there. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can. Well, you're really going to town here, aren't you? Whoop. 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 Can't see. The sun's reflecting. What the heck are you doing? I don't like what you do on the tree. What are you doing, Kaden? Can I pet you? No? No? Don't move? And how long is this supposed to go on? Hey, pretty bird? What you doing? Let's see. What are you doing there? You're so weird. What kind of bird behavior is this, huh? What are you doing? Let's get in there and look at them. See those feathers? Yeah. There's a tush. You all done? Gonna do that in water? You wanna take a bath? Wanna take a bath? Yeah, you're all dirty. You need a bath. No? What the heck was that? What was that, pretty bird? What were you doing? Huh? No? Come on. Come here. Kaden, step up. Come on. What? What? What you doing? Oh, focus. You're too far away. Hey, come on. Come on. Let's see you fly.